going to need that. You want to go to add at the top and then mesh, and then we're going to add a circle. Now at this point we've got the add circle just at the bottom here, which is on the bottom left. I'm going to remove my screencasting keys so I can show you guys what I'm doing, because I can't move them from there. I can, but it's like you have to jiggle it about a little bit. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. So we're going to go to the add circle, bottom left. And you'll see that the vertices are at 32. Now, if you increase the vertices, it's going to be a smoother circle. It's going to have more faces to it. If you lessen the vertices, it's going to have less faces. So what we want is we want to make an octagon, which is 8 faces. So we're just going to go ahead here and just change this to 8. And this would be the basis of our little road sign. So I'm just going to go back and turn on my screen keys, the shadows and the screen keys, so that you guys can see and everything. Yeah. Okay, so now we've got our little octagon right here. We notice that it's the wrong way, so what we're going to do is just press R for rotate, and just rotate it around so that it's flat, as you can get it. Okay, so from here we're going to start making the road sign. So what we're going to do is go into the edit mode. We're going to press F for fill, so it gives it a face. We're going to go E for extrude. We're just going to go slightly upwards, and then we're just going to go slightly outwards. This is just going to give a little bit of a bevel around the edges.